What is up, guys? It's Wiki again here today, and today it is 4 o'clock in the morning, and
Did you actually just start a video?
yeah, I'm so tired.
What's going on, guys? Ricky here with
We're playing Pokemon we're playing Pokemon Breeze today. Oh, it's 4:33 in the morning, and Benji is completely energetic, and I'm about to fucking roll over and die. I'm drinking a fucking carton of milk. Gotta keep your bones strong while staying awake and fucking ruining your body, right? But why can I barely fucking hear you? Doesn't it just piss you off? It just pisses me the fuck off. Well, alright then, you win. And the worst thing about this game is the way you fucking, oh my dick. The way you fucking move inside, am I right, Benji? The way you have to move inside, dude. Why can't you just use your arrows? And this is basically Pokemon Brick Bronze. And I found it all by myself, by the way. Just in case you're wondering, and now me and Benji are addicted to it. And after I fucking do this, we're gonna go trade. Fuck you, I'm doing it. If I said I want to do it. Super effective. Opposing Torkoal fainted. And now I have to, hopefully, I'm so bad at parkour. Okay. Benji?
Yeah.
I didn't fucking make it.
Listen, it's so easy.
Shut the fuck up.
It was suck.
It's not easy. It hurts my head.
So
It hurts my head. Can I fucking reduce graphics? Yes, please, cause my fucking shit is dying in a hole. Autosave! Benji, turn on autosave.
What? That's a thing?
I wish I would have fucking known that whenever I passed the fucking gym battle, and this is my third time going through. Well, yeah, you think that's funny, you fucking bitch? You know what I think's funny? Your dad's gay.
Yeah.
Benji, is your dad actually gay?
How do I get to autosave?
Go to the options. What the fuck? I know every single viewer, I know there's not a lot, saw that, but I fucking hit the rock. I was on that fucking, I'm fucking, yeah, I can't. This is the easiest, hardest thing I've ever done before in my life. Did you leave me yet?
What?
Did you leave me yet?
Yeah. I'm not far though, I'm really.
Okay, now I only have this fucking rock left. Yes! Okay, now I just have to fucking anal this gym leader. As you know, I'm smashing into the I'm grateful for your sister. Okay, guys, I just have to say one thing really quick. I am so tired. It is 4:37 a.m. and I am not my normal self right now. If you have not fucking noticed yet, have you seen our videos, Benji?
No.
They are very up fucking beat. Oh shit.
Let me watch him.
What?
I'm watching him.
What?
I'm gonna watch the videos on our YouTube real quick.
You didn't watch them? Well, you know what you should do, what the viewers should do, is go like, subscribe, and...
What's the YouTube channel called? WikiWow.
No, just Wiki. And make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment what you would like to see next. You see that? You see that plug? Did you see that, Benji? I'm so fucking stupid.
Fuck up.
Shut the fuck up. I'm just one-shotting every single one of his people. Did I win? Good work. You really do have quite the potential. 4,000? Jesus, dick. Oh, this probably is the best time to start fucking recording in this. But... Jesus Christ. I'll probably start recording. Like restart. Or create a new one. What do you say about that, Benji? Not after, like, later. Like, after we finish this.
What?
After we finish this version, we create a new slot of a person. Dude, I'm so fucking messy right now. Oh my god. I don't know. I think I have the cold. I definitely think I have the cold. Does that mean I have corona? Benji?
What?
That means I have corona, huh?
Oh,
So, do I just walk off? Oh,
yes, you
what
should
a
die.
time to be alive. Okay, where are you? I'm done. Wait, let's see if we can trade.
Okay. Second, I'm gonna fight.
What the fuck? Don't, Benji. It doesn't let you trade.
Really still.
No, apparently not. Leave a comment down below what we have to do to trade. And giving us tips and...
I don't think it's what you have to do. I think it's server.
Yeah, I think it might be the server. Where are you? Did you go through that green thing? What? Did you go through that green thing? The green tunnel? Benji? Okay, guys. Well, Benji's fucking dead. I'm lonely. Oh shit, is my face cam on? I hope it's not, because Jesus Christ, I'm a mess right now. Benji? Where?
Oh, shit.
Benji, where are you? Dude, fuck off. I will fuck your mom. What the dick? Benji.
Yeah.
Where are you?
Shut the fuck up with that damn question.
Then tell me, you fucking cunt.
I told you not far. There's not a police. Yeah, what you want me to say?
Shut the fuck up with that damn question.
Oh, dude.
Didn't answer me the first time. You know I'm gonna ask you again.
Where are you? Benji, where are you? Where are you, Benji? Benji, where are you? Benji, where are you, Benji?
Benji,
Oh my god.
at least lower your voice a little bit so it actually sounds like me.
Where are you? Shut the fuck up.
God, are you on your period or some shit?
No,
That's cap.
that's not cap.
That's cap.
You're not
Benji, that's fucking cap, dude.
No,
Yes.
no, it's called 4:42 in the morning and you're
It's called 4:42 in the morning. I'm fucking delusional and just laughing and everything. Dude, I guarantee if I saw your face right now, I'd just start dying. This is the most boring gameplay ever. I'm just one-shotting fucking everyone. I feel like I'm a little bit advanced for my age. Fucking.
right.
I'm talking about in Pokemon, you dirty-minded slut. I want to see Pokemon. I want to see Pokemon. Okay. Mime Jr. Fuck this, I'm leaving. Oh my god. Benji, I have Corona.
Good.
You're such a bitch. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, leave me alone. No, 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 no! After breakfast, I'm playing maybe change for a few hours. Shut the fuck up. Hey, Benji. Benji, where are you?
Listen. You are so listen. Oh my god, I'm Shut up. Shut up.
I can't. It's fucking. What the fuck? Oh, what a time to be alive. Sucking your mom's titties, and you know my hotline. What is up, guys? Today it is Wiki Wow, and today we're gonna be watching Pornhub.
Preston, you would do that on the YouTube.
No, I wouldn't. It's not allowed, or else I would.
React to it on.
Benji, where are you? I don't know if my face cam's on, because if it is, like, they can see how tired I fucking am. I just want to get viewers. I'm never gonna get viewers. I'm never gonna get a girlfriend. Benji. Do you still have Arceus?
Yeah.
What level is he? Or she? Whatever.
Like 21, I think.
My Giratina is level 19. Dude, fuck off with your gust, you fucking whore. God. Slash again. Okay, come on, Preston, time to wake up. Your milk thing isn't working for me. What the fuck? A Sandshrew? Level 75 Sandshrew. Why have you not leveled up yet? That's my question. I'm not fucking facing you because I can't. Why haven't you leveled up yet? It's just another trucker following me. Oh my god. I hate it when they, like, trap you into battles. Wait for other trainers on this bridge. Yeah, I guess you could say I'm pretty cool. No, you fucking annoying bitch. You're annoying. Like me. Fucking Surskit. I used to have a card of that. Oh, guys, I'm a little bit out of it right now.